On today's menu, a delightful recipe that's really down to earth. A delicious and casual rice and long beans. Lei Ho Ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Will Yeung. Join me in this episode as we make a delicious rice recipe that's of course really simple to put together. If you enjoyed today's episode, as always, remember to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. These are dried bean curd sticks, one of my favorite hot pot ingredients, but will go really well in this rice recipe. All we have to do is rehydrate these in some water. Fill a kettle with some water and bring to a boil. When the water comes to a boil, pour it over the bean curd sticks and let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. Preheat the oven to 400. 150 grams fresh shiitake mushrooms. Remove the end bits from the stalks from the fresh shiitake mushrooms. If you're using rehydrated shiitake mushrooms, remove the entire stalk. Slice down the shiitake mushrooms. It's important to be generous with the mushrooms as they'll shrink down when cooked. These mushrooms will add delicious umami and texture to the rice. These are delicious and crunchy long beans. They should be easy to find at an Asian grocer. Remove the end bits and chop into small, bite-sized pieces. In this episode, I'm using about 160 grams of long beans. This recipe is great for about 2 to 3 portions, but of course you can multiply it to make more if you like. Chop 6 spears of baby corn into small, bite-sized pieces. Add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and give the veggies a good toss. Transfer the veggies onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Spread them out and bake in the oven for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's prep and cook the rice. Half an onion, finely chopped. You can use a couple of shallots or a red onion if that's what you have on hand. 2 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Small piece of ginger, finely chopped. This recipe is very versatile and you can definitely try other veggies if you like. Chop 3 sticks of green onions. Separate the white parts from the green as we'll be using the white parts for cooking and the green for garnish. You may notice in this recipe that nothing is actually seasoned since we'll be making a delicious sauce at the very end. 1.5 cups short grain rice. Rinse and drain the rice in some water 2 to 3 times to get rid of the excess starch. Sauté pan. Medium heat. About a tablespoon of avocado oil. Onions and garlic. Sauté for 3 to 4 minutes. Ginger and the white parts from the green onions. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes and sweat off all those amazing aromatics. Add in the rice. Give the pan a good stir. 1.5 cups water. Turn up the heat to medium-high. When the water begins to bubble, turn the heat down to medium-low. Give the pan a good stir to make sure the rice is not sticking to the bottom of the pan and ensure that the rice is submerged in the liquid. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. Drain the bean curd sticks. The bean curd should be rehydrated and quite soft. Roughly chop into bite-sized pieces. The bean curd does a great job absorbing sauce and adds a nice, unique texture. Two tablespoons soy sauce. 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce. A splash of toasted sesame oil. 1 teaspoon Chinese black vinegar. 1 teaspoon maple syrup. About a tablespoon of smoky, spicy chili oil. This is a delicious aromatic chili oil made in a past episode. I'll definitely leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make a spicy or non-spicy version really easily at home. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off on the rice and let it steam further for another 10 minutes. When the veggies are done, take them out of the oven. Add in the chopped bean curd. Add the roasted veggies, the remaining green onions. Pour in that delicious sauce. Fluff and fold over that beautiful marbled rice. Plate the rice generously. Sprinkle over some white sesame seeds to serve. You can now enjoy this earthy rice and beans with absolute confidence. This is just beautiful. It is packed with so many little goodies. Man, what a delicious rice dish. Visually, it's so rustic, so inviting, and just so casual, homey. And there's that beautifully marbled, fluffy white rice. Just from that first bite, you are welcomed with this incredibly bold, earthy flavor from the combination of that sauce that has the salty umami from the soy sauce, that aromatic toasted sesame oil and that chili oil, as well as that little tanginess from the black vinegar. Goes so well in combination with that umami earthiness from the fresh shiitake mushrooms. Those beautiful green long beans add this nice fresh crunch, and that tender bean curd just soaks up all of that delicious sauce. It's just so delightful. The baby corn adds that crunch as well and that natural sweetness. The green onions are wilted into the rice but still retains that beautiful freshness. What an amazing combination of unique flavors and textures, and of course such an easy, uncomplicated, user-friendly recipe to put together. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version you can check out in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. If you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.